Smoked pulled chicken meal prep. With one cook, I'll make 5 bowls with 3 different sauces and a week of high protein lunches handled. Let's get into it. Start with the rub, smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, and a little cayenne for heat. Coat the chicken thighs, cover them with foil, and let them sit overnight so that rub can really set in. Sweet potatoes get oil, garlic powder, smoked paprika, and salt. Spread them out evenly on the pan so they roast instead of steaming. Put them in the oven at 425. Broccoli gets oil, salt, and pepper, then straight into the grill basket. Set up your 2-zone fire with a hot side for searing and a cool side for the smoking. Add the broccoli first to get some char. Today, we're smoking with hickory. Add a few chunks to the hot side. This is what a few hours of hickory smoke does. That deep mahogany color is everything. Pull them at 175 and they're ready. At 175, the meat should just fall off the bone. Rice on the bottom, broccoli on the top portion, sweet potatoes in the middle, and the rest of the space is saved for that smoked pulled chicken. Now here's where it gets good. Same chicken with 3 different finishes. Honey gold on the first, Carolina gold on the second, and sweet chili garlic on the third. 3 sauces means you're not eating the same thing all week long. 5 bowls, stacked and ready. A full week of smoked pulled chicken handled in one cook. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more.